Hi, my name is Jimmy, and welcome to the Illinois Street Residence Halls. Here's the main lobby of the Illinois Street Residence Hall, or ISR. Here you'll find your mailboxes, ISR Dining Center, Main Street, and the front desk. The ISR Front Desk is here to help you. They can answer any questions you have about university housing or campus in general. You also pick up your packages from the ISR Front Desk. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and they can even loan things out to you, like board games, sports equipment, and moving carts. Next to the ISR Front Desk, you will find your mailboxes, primarily used for letter-sized envelopes and small packages. On the other side of the ISR Front Desk, you have the ISR Dining Center. The ISR Dining Center is one of the largest dining centers in the United States. There are 8 micro-restaurants in the ISR Dining Center. Each micro-restaurant serves a different type of cuisine. From Asian-inspired dishes to fire-baked pizza, you'll be able to find something to appease your taste palette and satisfy any dietary restrictions you might have. And below the ISR Dining Center, you will find Main Street. There are a ton of incredible resources to take advantage of along Main Street. Here you will find open lounge spaces, computer lab, fitness room, music practice rooms, the embedded counselor's office, study spaces, a kitchen, and more. You will find our retail dining locations, Infinity and Terabyte, for grab-and-go options. Now, ISR is split into 2 halls. To the west, we have Wardall Hall, and to the east, we have Townsend Hall. Both Wardall and Townsend Hall make up the Illinois Street Residence Halls. I wanted to make that distinction because we will be going into Townsend Hall. Both the Townsend Hall Laundry Room and Wardall Hall Laundry Room are located within the basements of their respective buildings. Laundry costs are included within your housing contract, so no need to carry around like a big bag of quarters just to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to know when your laundry is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to check the usage and availability of laundry machines. It is super convenient. There are different room types available within ISR. There are single, double, and triple rooms available. ISR, like other residence halls, consists of mainly double rooms. Let me show you a double room. Welcome to a double room. Within each room, each resident gets a desk, chair, 2-shelf cabinet, 3-drawer cabinet, 2-drawer chest, and a twin XL bed. Each resident also gets their own lockable closet. This bed is currently set at our default mid-loft height. From the top of the mattress to the floor is about 38 inches. From the bottom of the bed frame to the floor is about 28 inches of clearance. This bed is set to our high lofted configuration. From the top of the mattress to the bottom of the floor is about 65 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor is about 55 inches of clearance. Guardrails and ladders are available upon request. Making this space your own can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. We have a giant list of items we recommend that you bring and items to leave behind. You can find the link to our ultimate packing checklist along with furniture dimensions in the description below. Townsend Hall has multiple individual use restrooms available. Each bathroom has a sink, a toilet, and a shower. The bathrooms are cleaned daily by our building service workers. The layout of the Wardall Hall bathrooms differs slightly, but still utilizes single-use restrooms. There's a communal area of the floor with a bunch of sinks that students can use without occupying a full restroom. There are plenty of different spaces our residents can use all throughout ISR. Some of these spaces are tied to specific living learning communities, or LLCs for short. Speaking of LLCs, I have 5 things that you should know about ISR. Number 1. There's not 1, 2, but 3 living learning communities within ISR. You have the Innovations, Honors, and Sustainability LLCs. Each LLC has a specific area within ISR that only their residents have access to. You can find more information about our living learning communities at the link below. Number 2, the best way to get around campus is walking, biking, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 5-minute walk from here. The nearest bus stops to ISR would be Green and Goodwin, and the Illinois Street Residence Hall stop. 4. You are near the North Quad, Krannert Center for the Performing Arts, and down the street from the Illini Union. You're also a short walk away from the Campus Recreation Center East, or CERCE. 5. The nearest dining hall would be the ISR Dining Center located off of the main lobby. Along Main Street, you can also find Infinity and Terabyte for grab-and-go options on your way to class. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Illinois Street Residence Halls. We can't wait to see you on campus soon. Click here to see another Residence Hall video. You should click it so I can go inside. Please, click it. Go ahead.